Well, this is my final video. It's now been fixed and the turntable is working. Totally unrestored unit. Sound output is a bit low. It's a Philips AG-1015 turntable inside a Philips 9115. Record player, it's around 1962. I got the two speakers up here, as you can see. And let's give it a blast. Now I'm going to press the play, which is here. Sorry about the music. It's the only record I have now.
Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is all there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, blowing like the breeze. Country roads, take me home. All my memories gather round her, miner's lady, stranger to the water.
Totally disengaged mechanism, because you can see it's freewheeling. Beautiful. Thank you for watching, and if you ever have a problem like this with one of these, just make sure that lever number 40 is totally clean and can slide in both directions, not south and east and west. Mine was not moving east and west, it was moving north and south. So just a quick spray with a bit of isopropyl alcohol had it totally freed and moving in a second. I did not even need to use my WD-40. That's it. Thank you for watching.